Welcome back to NM Serena. In this video, we are going to discuss the financial services. The financial services are those services which are associated with the financial transactions. A definition of financial services is that it is the activities, benefits, and satisfactions connected with the sale of money that offer to users and customers financial related value. That means all those services that supports the financial activities are called financial services. And the financial system largely depends upon the quality and variety of financial services provided by the financial intermediaries. Within the financial services industry, the main sectors are the banks, financial institutions, and the non-banking financial companies. Let us discuss more about financial services. Let us discuss the different features of financial services. One of the most important feature of any service is that it is intangible. We cannot touch, smell, see, hear, or even taste the services. We can only feel it. Thus, an organization engaged in providing financial services have to depend on the feedback from the public to find whether their service was effective and what was its quality and whether it was attractive to the customers. The next point is direct sale. Only direct sale is possible and there are no middlemen in between. In order to ensure that these services are available at the right time and at the right place, simultaneous production and distribution of financial services is undertaken by these service organizations. Another point is that heterogeneity. In order to cater to the variety of financial and related needs of different customers in different areas, the financial service organizations they have to offer a wide range of products and services. Then there will be fluctuation in demand. The demand for certain categories of financial services like life insurance, etc., fluctuates significantly according to the level of general economic activities. This factor puts extra pressures on the roles and functions of marketing in insurance organizations. Another feature is that it protects customers' interest. The responsibility of any financial service organizations to protect customers' interest is important, and it is not important only in banking and insurance. It is also equally important in other sectors of financial services also. The next point is labor intensive sector. This is a personalized service versus automation. That is, it's an important issue in financial services. Since it is a service, there has to be labor. It cannot be done in a mechanical manner. That is why the financial sector is highly labor intensive. It leads to increase in the cost of production and consequently it affects the price of the financial products. Because of this high personnel costs involved and to enhance customers' convenience, increased use of technology is being made. So the financial service is highly labor intensive because a personal touch is required for making the customers feel that they are being considered. And next point is that geographically dispersed service. The financial service must have both appeal as well as wider application. To ensure this, the service providing organizations must have branches all over the country as well as outside so that they can provide the benefit of convenience to both the national as well as the international customers in addition to the local customers. Then it lacks a special identity. Quite often, people um, consider those services or those service providers that are convenient to them. So, the identity does not have a special role in the case of financial services. Customers approach a nearby branch of a bank or a financial institution because it is very much convenient to them. And the competitive products offered by various service organizations, other organizations, may also be similar and maybe better sometimes than the product offered by this particular firm. And so they have to give more importance to their package. And the package includes branch location, staff, services, reputation, advertising, new services offered from time to time, etc. So each organization must find a way of establishing its own identity and implant this identity in the mind of the public. Then it is an information based sector. The financial service industry is an information based industry. It involves creation, dissemination, and use of information. So, information is an essential component in the case of financial services. And the cost of processing this information is quite relevant in the profitable production of financial services. And the last point is that it requires quality labor. The financial services requires huge amount of high quality labor to deal with the information and communication in the market. The types of labor ranges from workers performing simple tasks to those undertaking complex analysis and negotiations, and they may also require years of training and experience. Those persons who have got extra experience can do a lot of things in the financial services because they know how to manage the customers in a better manner. So the financial service firms have to make extra efforts to attract, motivate, and retain the human resources they require in order to survive, grow, and prosper in the future. A number of financial intermediaries are the suppliers of financial services. Let us have a glance at who all are those institutions. They are the banks and financial institutions, the insurance companies, the credit card issuer companies, investment trusts, the mutual funds, stock exchanges, leasing companies, and the unit trusts. The financial services may be classified into two as asset-based services, which is also called fund-based services, and the fee-based services, which is also called advisory services. The fund-based services includes equipment leasing or lease financing, hire purchase and consumer credit, bill discounting, insurance services, housing finance, venture capital, and factoring. The fee-based services includes issue management, portfolio management, corporate counseling, capital restructuring, merger and acquisition, loan syndication, and credit rating. So we have gone through the different asset-based services as well as the fee-based services. A detailed discussion is required regarding both of these financial services, which will be done in another video. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching it. For more videos, subscribe the channel.